एअरपोर्ट. मित्रांनो, आता आपण या पाहुण्यांबरोबर विमानतळावर म्हणजेच एअरपोर्टवर आहोत. ही सर्व मंडळी प्रवासाहून आली आहेत. विमानतळावर उतरल्यावर काय काय करावं लागतं ते पहा. हा,
The airport.
Hello. I'm Peter Charlton. I'm English. I'm from London. I'm a friend of the Hunts. I'm at Heathrow Airport. Heathrow Airport's in London. The Hunts are coming to England. They're coming from Geneva. The plane's arriving. There are the passengers. There are Mr. and Mrs. Hunt. They're going to the customs area. There's an immigration officer. He's looking at the passports. There's a customs officer. He's looking at the suitcases. He's opening the suitcases. I'm going to the waiting room.
कस्टम्स विभागात ह्या प्रवासी मंडळींची तपासणी होते. त्यांचे पासपोर्ट पाहिले जातात. कस्टम्स ऑफिसरकडे आपल्याजवळ ज्या विशेष वस्तू आहेत त्यांची माहिती द्यावी लागते.
Immigration.
Are you British?
Yes, I'm British.
Have you got a passport, sir?
Yes, I've got a passport.
Thank you. Passport, please, madam.
Just a minute. It's in the bag. Here it is.
Thank you. Passport, please, miss.
Here it is.
Have you got a passport?
Yes. Here it is.
Passport, please, miss.
Yes.
Thank you.
Customs. Have you got anything to declare?
Yes, I've got a bottle of perfume and a bottle of whiskey.
One bottle of perfume?
Yes, one bottle of perfume.
And what's this?
It's a bottle of whiskey.
All right. Thank you. Have you got anything to declare, madam?
No.
Anything to declare, miss?
Yes.
What?
I've got a box of chocolate.
Are they liqueur chocolates?
No. They're peppermint chocolate.
All right.
पीटर आणि हंट मंडळी भेटतात. सर्वांची ओळख करून देतात. टॅक्सीला बोलवतात. टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरला हॉटेलचा पत्ता सांगतात.
The waiting room.
There's Peter.
Where's Peter? Here he is.
Hello, Guy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Very well, thank you. How are you, Sarah?
Sarah, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
The children.
Peter, here are the children. This is Jane. She's 18.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Jane. How are you?
I'm tired.
And this is Simon. He's 15.
Hello, Simon.
Hello, Peter.
Peter, this is Sheila Morgan. She's a friend from Geneva.
How do you do, Sheila? Pleased to meet you.
How do you do?
Are you Swiss?
No, I'm English.
Here's a taxi.
Taxi!
Where are Simon and Jane?
Here they are.
Good. The Beardsley Hotel, please.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. Are you from England?
No, I'm from Geneva. I'm going to London.
Where?
Hello. I'm Stephen Jones. Where's Jean?
She's in the hotel.
And where are Sue and Brian?
They're in the hotel.
There's Jean. She's coming.
Here she is.
Taxi.
Where's the taxi?
Just a minute.
Taxi. Taxi.
It's coming.
Good. Have you got the suitcases?
No, they're in the waiting room. Goodbye.
Have you got the passport?
Yes, here it is.
And have you got the suitcase?
Yes, here. Here's the taxi.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you.
आशा आहे या व्हिडिओमधील टॉपिक तुम्हाला समजले असतीलच. अजून पुढील व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि इतर पालकांना आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करून पुढील व्हिडिओसाठी आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करा.